Hello everyone, Sam from forexmagicweb.com. I'm making this video for one of my friend named James. James, this is a video I'm making. I'm trying again to make it, to show you how I found these, highs and lows and make my SNR sheet. I want to keep things very simple. I mean, there are lots of other ways, but the simplest is that you open a monthly chart, start from monthly like this one. Okay, this is the channel I draw just to show you how precise this thing is. I mean, you connect these two highs and then take a parallel, put it on the low, and see how price come and touch it. And now we are coming in to touch it again at probably around 26. All right, this beside the point. Now here you can see just pick very obvious highs and lows and use this tool, our ellipse. Okay, let me show you this, how make it yellow. Yeah, okay, make a little round thingy and like a bullets, and just start putting all these highs and lows to keep it. Whoops, where to go? Okay, so that way you can pinpoint later on and write down the values, the numbers. Okay, just pick the very obvious highs and lows on monthly, and then we're gonna keep doing on like weekly and daily. All right, now in this monthly chart I'm not picking these highs lows because these are we will take care on weekly and monthly, I mean weekly and daily. We just want clear highs and lows, the swing high and swing low. All right, these are little small highs and lows, but the whole swing is starting from here going all the way here, then retracement, and then go all the way there. Right, so that's one swing. Okay, and this one we're not gonna say it because it's not finished yet. So now this is on the monthly chart, and now you switch it to the daily, I mean weekly, and go, and then again take the very obvious one on weekly, just like that. I had those visualized monthly, and that's why they just disappear, right? So don't worry about that. Now you got the idea how I got these, and you can just do it and practice and play with them. Now you take it again, this tool, when you are on a weekly, and just have it visualize. Now again you start going swing by swing, or maybe take, oops, the highest point is better, this one. All right, and then take this one, and take this one, and take this one, you know what I'm saying? And these are just, and then later on you just go with, use your cursor, and on the bottom it tells you what was the high, the exact number, 51.43. Write it down on a piece of paper. And what was the low of this? Okay, the low was 24.56. Write it down on a piece of paper in order. Later on you can do it in order, but just keep writing it down, and then switch it to daily. Okay, and now you can see a little more precise numbers, and on the daily you can use even the small numbers like this one. Okay, let me show you. Oh man, this alarm thingy. Oh man, come on, get out of here. Okay, all right, so now you can use this small one. What's happening? Like these small highs and lows as well, intermediary, and you just mark them, the major numbers on a weekly, and monthly you can mark them like as a big number or major number, and then you have these numbers as well. Now this is the low and this is the high, they're almost the same. Okay, you see that? So choose one or average it out, that's it. Okay, so this is the, let's say this is the low of 32.11, that's my big number actually, and this is high of 31.97. see, not much of a difference, but 32.11 is the one I choose, and you can find it on my sheet. Okay, so and then it works again and again. The price react around these numbers. So just take these just like that, highs and lows. My computer all of a sudden start working slow. I don't know why. Maybe some security program start scanning or something. All right, and then once you mark all these, then go by, use your cursor and just keep looking at the values and write it down on a piece of paper. And if you choose, you can do the same with the 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart, but the thing is that you will end up with so many numbers that you don't know which one is which. You want to keep it simple. So what I use only monthly, weekly, and daily. Okay, that's all. Now, how I use them and what my chart look like, look at this chart that I'm following from way before, from last year actually, okay, when the price was above here, breaking the line. I don't want to go back right now because the video is going to be long. So I'm following the price on this chart all the way from here, and look, this chart is my key, and it works precisely the way I anticipate. Now it was this line broken, they went up, this is the high, then came down here, bounced from this channel line that I drawn on that monthly weekly chart, and then see that it broke here, the price dip here, and where it stopped exactly when you connect these highs and put it here on the low. The price comes and touch that line, the blue, and it created a channel. Then it went up again and hit this black line, drop, then went up, hit this blue line. These lines are the key. Price is not random. They always follow these channel and trend line. Believe me or not, it is right in front of you. Pay attention to it, and you will be amazed how precise they work. And see this touch here, drop, breaking this line, went back up, testing the backside, testing the blue line, couldn't go above, then drop. This was the support right here, 28.73, my last week target, cleanly broke. First you stop here and then boom, gone. Now it's 26.50 or whatever, but I'm not showing here the monthly TL, rising TL, which is right around here somewhere, so it might stop here, God knows. So we're gonna watch. If that breaks, then we have 25.86 next, and then 24. Okay, and maybe it will bounce from here, then go back to test this channel line again, God knows, or maybe it drop straight to 18.75. Okay, it is coming this way, but it's too far. Let's just go one step at a time. But this is how these highs and lows, and I have it, and I mark them on a daily numbers, weekly, and this is my major, and then I have a daily as well. I don't know if it's exactly like this. No, this is the one I just showed you. It's not in this broker, I have somewhere else. So this is basically, that's what it is. This is very simple but very effective, and all these numbers always play exactly. Here when we were here, it says, well, if we go above 36.64, then we go up, but not 38.36. And if we go down, we come down here and finish our girdle, a bad pattern, and we did. Then we had a reaction. Now you all see that I jump with the parachute from here, 500 pip drop to finish a bad pattern, and it might have a little bounce and then drop again, God knows. So we will just go step by step. All right. So James, I think I don't know if this helps. If not, then again tell me, and I'll try to show you in some other way. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.